Good day. I am Jide Caudaro, a 20-year-old second-year college student taking a Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration, Section CA4D at Philippine Maritime Institute. The importance of math, science, and technology in my program, which is Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. Math, science, and technology are really important for our BS Customs Administration program. Math helps us calculate duties and taxes accurately. Science gives us insight into trade and product regulations, while technologies lets us use modern system to handle customs work efficiently. The subject also helped me understand the ethical standards and professional responsibilities that come with being a licensed customs broker, which is key to building trust and a good reputation in the industry. My dream of becoming a customs administration professional is not just a career goal, but a commitment to serve, protect, and uphold integrity beyond borders. And that's all. Thank you.